The race to build the first space hotel, the future of space travel. What if I told you that in just a few years, you could book a hotel room in space? Imagine sipping coffee while watching Earth spin below you, sleeping in a luxury space pod, and floating freely in zero gravity. Well, this isn't just science fiction anymore. Right now, the biggest companies on Earth are racing to build the world's first space hotel, and one of them might open sooner than you think. Welcome to Universe Buzz, your gateway to the mysteries of space. If you're ready to dive into the future of space travel, hit that subscribe button, because this is just the beginning. Space tourism is no longer just for astronauts. Billionaires like Jeff Bezos, Richard Branson, and Elon Musk have already taken people beyond our atmosphere. But the next step is even bigger. A space hotel where tourists can live, eat, and sleep in orbit. Leading the race is above Space Development Corporation, formerly known as Orbital Assembly Corporation. Their project, Voyager Station, is designed to be the first ever luxury hotel in space. This massive rotating wheel in orbit will create artificial gravity, making it the first space structure where people can walk, sleep, and eat almost like on Earth. The hotel will have restaurants, bars, gyms, and even concert halls, all while offering breathtaking views of our planet. It's planned to host 400 guests and 112 crew members, making it the most ambitious space tourism project yet. But Voyager isn't the only project in the works. Another company, Vast Space, is launching Haven 1, a smaller but more realistic space hotel, set to launch even earlier. Focused on luxury and comfort in microgravity. It will feature patent-pending sleep systems, fine-grained maple wood interiors, and private quarters for guests. All right, here's a question for you. If you had the chance to stay in a space hotel, how much would you be willing to pay? Because right now, the cost of a trip to space is in the millions of dollars. But what if I told you that prices could drop dramatically in the future? The challenges of space hotels. Of course, building a hotel in space isn't easy. There are major obstacles scientists and engineers are trying to solve. Radiation exposure. Outside Earth's atmosphere, radiation levels are much higher. Space hotels will need heavy shielding to protect guests. Artificial gravity. Long-term weightlessness weakens muscles and bones. Voyager Station's spinning design might be the answer. Cost and logistics. Just getting building materials into space costs billions. But with SpaceX's Starship and other reusable rockets, costs are finally going down. The future Moon and Mars hotels? So what's next? If we can build hotels in Earth's orbit, what about the Moon? Or even Mars? NASA and private companies are already planning lunar bases and Martian colonies. It's only a matter of time before we see hotels on the Moon, spaceports between planets, and even orbital space cities. So what do you think? Would you stay in a space hotel? And how much would you pay for the experience? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love exploring the wonders of space, make sure to subscribe to Universe Buzz for more mind-blowing space content.